Well, Sunday was yet another record-breaking day in the state line as we had yet another record high temperature falling, two of them in just the first 4 days of the month. We got up to 52 degrees earlier on this afternoon, and that's 22 degrees above our average high for this time of year. We broke the record set in 1973 by 3 degrees, so very warm conditions. In fact, the first time that we get a 52 degree average high, you have to go back to just after the spring equinox in late March, so we are dealing with very unusually warm conditions out there, and it looks like that trend is going to continue heading into the week ahead. Tonight, though, temperatures have been falling pretty quickly, getting down to the upper 20s as we head towards early tomorrow morning. With that, we'll also have some patchy fog developing. There could be some freezing fog. I think the main impact would be just frost developing, though we just have to watch out maybe some slick spots, mainly on the bridges, just something to keep in mind. Otherwise, I think we're looking mostly clear just because the fog will still be pretty patchy across northern Illinois. We'll also be dealing with maybe some low-level cloud cover as well. So as we look at Future Track, in terms of the visibilities tomorrow, we're looking at some pretty patchy fog out there. Could be dense in some spots, but again, I think initially it's going to be more common across eastern parts of our area, but it's going to kind of slowly make its way off to the west. But I do think once we head towards the mid-morning, once that sunshine really takes full effect, we'll quickly begin to burn off the fog and the cloud cover as well, and we're looking at mostly clear conditions, especially by the afternoon, probably as we head late in the morning as well. So dealing with kind of like a similar day to today, although probably just a little bit cooler though once those clouds clear out. Mostly sunny maybe in the afternoon. Temperature wise, now I think this model is a little bit conservative on the temperatures as it has been over the last few days. I think we get up into the upper 40s tomorrow afternoon. If the fog and clouds can clear out a little bit earlier, I would think that we could actually get into the 50s once again, but we'll have partly cloudy skies, it looks like, over the rest of the day. And then that continues for much of the week, but there are changes coming, though, with clouds and more rain even potentially returning as we head towards late week. That's what we see in the 7-day forecast. You can see a mix of sun and clouds for the next 3 days, getting back into the 50s by Wednesday and Thursday. Both record highs could be challenged Wednesday and Thursday, but that's when we also have rain showers returning. Could be as late as or as early as Friday or Thursday afternoon, but I think mostly as we head towards Thursday night, that's when we see those rain showers beginning to move back into the area. So maybe dealing with some more rain as we head towards late week, but that should clear out fairly quickly. I think by Friday morning, we're mostly in the clear, but a cold front will be coming through, and that cools us off back into the low 40s for highs. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we'll see we'll have highs getting back down into the mid to upper 30s, but that's still above average for this time of year, so not a whole lot to complain about. It definitely could be much worse. So Sam, we just got to enjoy the sunshine and the 50s while they're here.